Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. We're on a land-based mission this morning. I left my house just after 3. I've been driving for just over an hour. I'm almost at my mate Brendon's house. From there I'm going to chuck all my fishing gear into his ute. From there we're going to drive up the coast another 30 to 40 odd minutes. And we're fishing ground we've both never fished before. It's a bit of an exploring mission. I'm excited. I love fishing spots I've never fished before. We may get there, it may be absolutely crap, but I'm going to bring you guys along for the mission anyway. We could quite easily hit a spot we know that's going to work this morning, but we've both decided to try something new. So yeah, we're heading right up the coast. Maybe absolute magic. But anyway, I'm going to keep driving, get to Brendon's house, chuck my gear into his ute, keep trekking up the coast. Fingers crossed we arrive at a magic spot on sunrise. But yeah, as you know, sometimes when you're trying new spots, they may not always work out as you want them to. Fingers crossed this is a good one. It was a super early start this morning. Let's keep trekking. We're loaded up, ready to go. We're drone fishing this morning. The plan is a snapper off the beach here. We've pulled up to a pretty amazing looking spot. The sun is just coming up now. I'll quickly get the drone set up, get the rig baited up. We'll get a bait out there. Fingers crossed this morning we can get onto a couple of fish. All right, let's get this drone set up. As I said, the sun's coming up now, so I'm pretty keen to get a bait out there. Nice and overcast this morning. There goes there. I'm just running the Swellpro FD3 this morning. This thing's an absolute beast. We'll get some bait on this rod and let's get it out there. So for baits I'm running fresh herring and fresh scalies. I actually caught these last week in last week's episode. I'll link that at the end of this episode, but yeah, hopefully I can turn these fresh baits that I caught into a fish this morning. Start the morning with a herring. I might just trim the tail off it, get a bit of scent in the water. That there can be the first bait. I'll quickly show you the rig that I'm running. So it's just a snelled 8/0 circle hooks, octopus skirt, down to a big old grapnel sinker. Look at that. That is a premium bait. Little bit of bait thread for good luck. There should be fish out here. We've never fished here before. Bit of an exploring mission this morning, fishing new ground. I'm excited to get a bait out there, that's for sure. Tasty. All good? Out we go, first bait of the morning. I'm excited, eh? Man, there's a lot of reefy ground through there, eh? Wow. Yeah, this could be challenging to land a fish. Is the drag tighten up by itself, eh? Yeah. That's a bit of a sandy patch there.
How far out are you?
That's 208.
Yeah, you're not much further to the reef, I think.
I'm going to drop it here.
Right.
First bait's in the water. Look at that. So clear.
Return to home.
Drone's on its way back now. Look at it through here, man. It's super clear, eh? I can't believe how clear it was. Just gone 6 AM, my first bait is in the water. Man, how does that ground look out there? The water's so clear. Plenty of reef and that around. I've dropped into a bit of a sandy patch there. I just hope if I hook a fish I can pull it out of there. Brendon's about to get his one out. He's running the big electric reel. I think I just got a couple of little bites on my rod. Only concern this morning would be how clear the water is, but it's a nice overcast morning, so we've got a shot for sure. Drop 2 is heading out. Just trying to angle it a bit because we're trying to move over a little bit.
Return to home.
Oh man, that looked like you were so much further out than what you are.
Yeah, I know.
I thought you were out like the back of that reef.
Oh yeah, no way.
Yeah, because where you've just dropped is exactly where I was like, I think that's
Thinking, yeah, that looked good.
right on the edge of that scuba.
Alright, drone's making its way back now. Second bait's in the water. Fresh scaly this time. See if this one can get a hook up. Our third drop for both of us. Just hoping sooner rather than later one of these rods will go off. Our only worry is it does look a little bit shallower and a little bit clearer in that than what we're hoping for, but I don't know. It's part of the price you pay when you're scoping out new spots, I guess. Could have quite easily just pulled up on an area we knew, but thought we'd get out here and do a bit more exploring, so I don't know, it may still pay off. Got a few drops left in us yet. Yeah, I'm fish on. Do you want to flick that camera on? Just got a few good bites and it just went kind of quiet. Yeah, no, I'm on, man. Oh, he's reefed me again. 100% there's a fish on that. Oh. What do I do? Let it try to swim out?
You got a fish on?
I think so. I feel like this is going to be a miracle if I land it though. I think I've lost it. Bugger. Yeah, no, there's nothing on there. Yeah, turn it off. Oh, that's a shame. I'll rebait, have another drop. I've just got a couple of really good bites then. Giving it a minute. Come on. The sun is so hot, eh?
My rod just got me out my seat.
Oh, you got a bite too?
A little inquiry.
All of a sudden we've both started getting some bites. Brendon's about 400 odd metres out, I'm 220-ish. I really hope I didn't get baited then, so that's a good hit. All we need, man, is one fish to stick. Surely you're about to be on, man. You said that was the drop.
They're the best hits I've had all morning.
Yeah, 100%. The wind's just picked up a little bit, eh? So maybe the bite will come on.
Yeah.
Give this a couple more minutes and I may have picked up.
I'd say we've got a fish here in some description.
Brendon's fish on, he's just bringing it in now.
We've got it off.
Oh, there's some head shakes.
We've just put the reel into overdrive.
This could be a good one, man. Finally, a fish has come through. Brendon's skull dragging it in now. Hopefully this is a snapper. The spot has not been as fishy as we'd hoped for this morning. It's coming in now. He's got the electric reel, so he's full on skull dragging it. I don't know what that is, it's coming in that fast. Oh, it is a snapper, I think. And it's spinning. Here it comes. It's not a monster, but it's first fish of the morning. There we go. There you go, Brendon is on. First snapper of the morning.
I'm actually really stoked with this little guy. Usually a fish of this size probably wouldn't be so happy, but when we've been doing a bit tough this morning, haven't we, Jack?
It has been tough. I've been second guessing ourselves, haven't we?
But you know, exploring new spots is what it's all about. Absolutely brilliant. Stoked with that.
Wicked. All right, I'm going to freshen up my bait and hopefully I can get one too. Got drop number 5 racing out now. This is just after Brendon caught his fish. Probably only got 1 or 2 more drops left after this. I've still got to get off to work today. Gonna go about here, man. There we go. 220. Just behind some reef there. The final drop of the morning. It's been an awesome morning exploring some new coastline. Obviously I'd love to get a fish of my own. Good to see Brendon get one, but yeah, we are hoping for a last drop special here. I'm just going to fly as far as I can till I'm nearly out of line and just go for a lucky drop. How's that line looking? It's a bit of sand here, I reckon I'll have to do here, eh?
Return to home.
315 metre drop. Didn't look like the best spot, but I just sent it. It is what it is. Lucky last. We'll start packing up the drone and whatnot now. That last bait's out in the water. Again, the Swellpro absolutely faultless. I think I did 6 or 7 drops this morning. Used 1.5 batteries. I do actually have a discount code for Swellpro too, so if you're in the market for a new drone, feel free to jump over to their website, use the discount code RUSHGANG, and you'll save yourself 10%. So far this thing's been absolutely awesome to me. Can't fault it. I'm just hoping now we can end the morning with a good fish. Either way though, it's just good to get out, explore some new ground, even just to get out for a bit of a four-wheel drive mission. That's always fun. It's been a good morning. And that's it, drone all packed away. Ready for the next adventure. Well, that's it, nothing on that last drop. I'm about to wind it in now. As I said, still had a wicked morning exploring the coastline. I'd never been up this way. Brendon had never fished here before either, so yeah, no, we'll probably be back to this spot. It's a pretty convenient spot to fish. Up nice and high on the sand dune, the vehicle's parked right there. And there's very high chance of good fish out there. Make sure you jump over to Brendon's channel, On Point Adventures. I'll link that in the comments below. That wraps up this episode. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.